hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make QR code for Instagram account. Once you're on Instagram, I want you to go onto your profile page. Once on your profile page, you're going to tap on Share Profile. After tapping on Share Profile, from here you will see your QR code. And all you'll need to do now, you could tap on color from the top of the page and you could change it. You can see right there, you can select emoji, you can select selfie, you can select image, as you can see right here. You can select any one of these options. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on download and you'll be able to download your QR code. So you can see it has been downloaded right there. Or if you would like to share your profile with someone directly from Instagram, you could tap on Share Profile, and from here you can choose the platform or app that you would like to share it on. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.